Hello student, database management system prepared by Yasmino Shamli, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning in Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. Unit 3 Normalization. Normal form are a set of progressive rules for relational scheme that reduce redundancy and prevent data anomalies. That is, the process of organizing the data and attributes of a database. It performs to reduce the data redundancy in a database and to ensure that data is stored in logically. Um, Benefits of using normal form. It reduces duplicate data and wastage the storage. It will reduce the duplicate data and it helps to reduce the wastage of storage. Next, it prevent insert, update and delete anomalies. That is, while inserting a new data in the database, if any duplicates data is inserted, it will reduce that lack of repeated data. Next, while I updating if the data is already updated, it reduce that anomalies. Next, deleting means while deleting, if you have deleted any important data, it will reduce um, that anomalies, and it is very easier to maintain and evaluate. Next, in normalization, there have some types of normals. That is, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, Boyce-Codd normal form, fourth normal form, fifth normal form. First normal form. In a first normal form, it eliminates the duplicate records. That means it have apply some condition to follow the first normal form. That is, all the columns contain atomic values. Atomic values, individual values. Each row should be in a unique form. Each column has a unique name. The order in which data is stored, in which type is not a matter. The data should be stored in a unique name and unique rows. Example, if a table has a column, phone number, and it's stored multiple form, it violates the first normal form. So what will we do? Means we have to store the phone number in a separate single cell. Next, second normal form. Its second normal form, it will eliminate the partial dependency. That means it satisfies the to satisfy the second normal form, it follow the conditions of the first normal form, and additionally no partial dependency exists. That means it must be depends on the entire primary key. For example, if a table have a student id and course id, the student id is depend upon only the depend upon beyond the student name, not the course id. It the student name depends on the student id. Next, third normal form. Third normal form, it will satisfy the second normalization form, and additionally there is no transitive dependency. That is, no non-prime attribute is transitive depend on the primary key. Example, consider a table with student ID, course ID, instructor. If student ID depends on the course ID, uh, course ID. The instructor depends on the course ID. That is, it is transitive dependency. Next, Boise code normal form. It is the one of the strongest form in the normalization. It satisfy the to satisfy the third normal form, where for every non-viral functionality, that means x must be in a super key. For every non-viral dependency, x depends on the y. X is the super key of the table. That means x cannot to be a non-prime attribute if y is a prime attribute. Example, if a table has the dependency student id, course id, id is depend on the instructor, but neither student id or course nor course id is a superkit, it violates the Boise code normalization form. Next, fourth normal form. Fourth normal form, it will remove the multi-value dependency. That is, it satisfies the Boise code normalization and has no multi-value dependency. Mm, Once the value attributes dependence determines another, and both attributes are independent for other attributes in the table. Example, uh, consider table student id, language and hobby. The student id is depends on the multiple hobbies and languages, that is multi-value dependencies. Next, fifth normal form, it is it eliminates the joint dependency, that it also satisfies the four normal form and all joint dependency are removed. Example, if a table contains student id, course, instructor, and there is no dependency, all combinations of their columns are needed to specify this relationship. That is, you would split them into a smaller table to remove the dependency. Um, these are the types of the normal form. Thank you.